are here at the K Show 2022. It's an opportunity for us to meet all our customers and all the people that we are serving during the year. Tosaf is a global organization which remains close to the market we serve.
As a solution provider, we all the time learning the needs of the customers, how to support his needs or challenge. In Tosaf, we are dealing with 5,000 plastic processors, so all of them have a need, and all of them have a unique need, and for all of those, we have a unique solution.
We have a firm belief that sustainability begins at home. We make every effort to develop environmentally friendly and recyclable products.